Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and one of the things that we talked today about is one more thing to do if you upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10. We had one that I just posted that says that I ask you and tell you to uninstall all the unused programs and software that you have on your PC. Over the years we actually have so many of those that accumulate. Then you notice that, oh, I haven't used this program in 2 years. Pretty much indicating that you're not going to use it in the future, probably. And lowers the minimum of problems. And another tips and tricks, I would say, video here. If you upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10, unplug everything from the USB ports of your computer. Let it do the upgrade just with your computer. Of course, you might need to keep your mouse plugged in if you have a desktop, or if you use a wireless keyboard, maybe you're using a little dongle that actually makes the wireless link. You can keep that, keep the bare minimum of what you really need in order for this to work. But then anything else, printers, external hard drives, anything that is not part of not important for the upgrade process, unplug them from the USB ports. When you do a reinstall of Windows, I was a tech guy when I did a lot of clean installs and reinstalls of Windows. One of the first things we did all the time was to unplug USB devices. Sometimes they can even make the install crash. Sometimes they don't initialize correctly and the install crashes and it just doesn't work. So make sure that you actually uninstall, or not uninstall, but just unplug everything from the USB ports that is unnecessary. And what you'll do is you'll upgrade. And once you are on Windows 10, once you see that Windows 10 desktop, well, plug them in, but one by one. Plug them in, make sure that they work, verify that everything is alright. Once that works, or if you need to reinstall it with a DVD, a CD, or maybe download a file from the internet, maybe you'll need to download a driver from a company for that device. Once it works, once you know it's okay, then go on to the next device, plug it in, and follow that order. Don't plug everything in at the same time. That also is a problem if you actually plug in different devices, and Windows has to deal with the fact that you just plug in 4 different USB devices at the same time. Well, it has to search for drivers for all of that at the same time. It could technically make things go wrong or make it crash. So make sure that you install them and plug them back one by one. Make sure that they work. Once that does, when it works, when it's okay, move on to the next one. Plug it in. If it's a printer, plug it in. Download the drivers if you need them. There's a lot of drivers that are already within Windows 10, so you might have a chance with that, and that's very important to check out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.